It's Serenity.
It's Tiffany.
Yeah.
Baby Ashton. Oh, you a big boy now.
You a big boy.
You a big boy. Say I'm 5. So yeah.
Some Chick-fil-A. I got stars.
Let me get y'all to the core. Yeah.
This how you
But
do
just
it.
got in here. I'm eating a Chick-fil-A spicy chicken sandwich.
I got the regular.
And Serenity has the, they can't really see over here. Zone, there we go. You want to got something? You don't got nothing?
Mom, where?
It's right there.
No, I don't.
Do we have a napkin?
Yeah. Here.
Where did it go? Where did it go?
Down here. Oh, wait, back here.
Oh, God. Come on.
First bite. First bite.
Sorry, y'all. I dropped y'all. Where's my phone?
Oh.
Everything. Yo, come sit down and eat, please. So what are you looking at? I'm putting mac and cheese on this side of one with the pickles. Let me see fork. Give me the fork. I'm gonna put honey mustard all on them.
What?
Sit down, Ashton. Let me see. You gonna eat it later? Let me roll my windows up because there's some little clouds out here. I'm trying to get enough of. Okay, we got that. With that,
I got some Sprite.
got that Polynesian sauce. Some, alright, turn her around. She's doing husky. Gotta dip it in that sauce.
Yo, the chicken sandwich is so good. Look at this. Yo, mine's is husky though.
Mine's some. Let me see. Get in the video. I'm gonna pass. We got cheese sauce, and the waffle fries. I need one of them car things.
I'm sorry, but what I'm eating is not very good. the chocolate, y'all. You said move my phone?
No, I'm calling up.
Oh, I forgot. My phone like a little stand.
Look at them filling the air. Sit right there.
I love it.
Let's swing it back. You love it? For the air? Oh, what's up, guys? I'm sorry. How everybody doing? I'm busy tearing my food up. I'm hungry.
Oh, sauce, Mom.
What?
Sauce.
Cover your mouth, bless you. We just poured over. We are hunger hitting.
You need a fry?
Coke. I'm getting sleepy. I'm gonna take me a nap.
I am feeling. I'm glad. Being eating like this. It must be so hungry, but
I don't know where I am. Because I ain't got no rep right now. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm hungry. And I'm sleeping. I know y'all see my elbows a little heavy. It was heavy before the food, but now they're getting heavy for real.
that's the phone right here.
Ashton, let me see your shirt. Let me see your shirt. Stand up. Let me see. Ooh, that's nice. Luxury lifestyle. That's nice. I love it. hungry, y'all.
Yeah, I love the ground. Going down too slow.
Comment down below if you love Chick-fil-A food. And if you do, what's your favorite thing to eat from here? Mine is the spicy chicken sandwich, the Cobb salad, and then nuggets. What? You said what? Oh. You want some fries?
Is the mac and cheese, the
Oh, the mac and cheese.
huh?
What's the yeah, the mac and cheese?
The number one chicken sandwich, they fries, they Sprite. I'm for everything.
Let me see your shirt. Turn around, Ashton. So let me see your shirt. I see your shirt reflecting. Put it. Sorry, y'all. I'm sleepy, y'all. I'll say my little piece.
This is
My eyeballs is heavy.
the best snack. Well, half a meal.
You're not half a meal.
Yeah, cause even when we get a house, we're gonna eat this thing. So it's like the best half a meal.
I know I dropped some.
I will be eating it tonight.
Alright, put that in the bag. I'll snack on that. And then waffle fries.
So good. So good.
Nisha's home.
So good.
See how they make sure they got enough workers to accommodate all of these people? That's how you do it. Shout out to Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, this probably got like 50, 40 people. I know they take the order right here.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Okay, guys, we just wanted to get on here, do a little quick car mukbang with you guys, and say what's up, luxury family. What's up? Ashton, say what's up.
What's up? What's up?
Say follow me. Look at your shirt.
Look at your shirt, Ashley.
Look.
Look. What? Look at your shirt.
You see your shirt?
Set.
Lighten up.
Go ahead.
It's glowing in the dark.
Yeah. Oh wow.
You alright?
Alright.
Okay, guys. Until next time, y'all will catch us on the next video. We are signing out. H to say peace.